face, you look so proud, standing there with a frown and a cigarette, posting pictures of yourself on the internet, out on the terrace. We breathe in the air of this small town, on our own, cutting glass with the thrill of it, getting drunk on the past we were living in. If we go down, then we go down together. They'll say you could do anything, they'll say that I was clever. If we go, I just remembered something, I think I left before I said running. Remember what the feeling happened. I need to soak in a minute, but I know you'll get out of me. You notice all your fingers turning up. I'm tired of being held in, trying to keep the water warm. Let me under your skin. Oh, there comes a sense you mentioned overboard. Why do I always spill? Oh my god, everybody is flooded. Oh my god, I'm stuck. I was thunder and lightning. And then my heart skipped 2 beats. Hold it. 10 beats. No, only the bus. It's thunder and lightning. I'm close to home, yes. But, yeah, it's raining badly. It's such a beautiful sight from my window because I just see the rain going by. Like, I just see it going by. And I don't know why it's beautiful sighting. Like, I'm going to die for this sake. But it is. But it's so beautiful sighting. Yeah. And I'm going on, so guys, comment some suggestions. Comment for what I should do. And watch this from the river.